staring at the edge of the water long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water no matter how hard I try.
Hi guys, so today we're going to the beach, but we're also going to be going to the Conch farm. So we're going to go to the Conch farm first and then we head to the beach. I think it's called Sapodilla Bay. There's a national park beside it called Chalk Sound, so we'll probably visit there as well. So yeah, it should be fun. As you may know or may not, conch is a national dish here, so they have a conch farm. So I've never really seen a live conch or a dead conch before. I've only seen it fried, so this is going to be a learning experience for me. It's so pretty outside. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, the view.
Site since 1984, primarily as a research and development facility dedicated to developing the techniques and methods necessary to commercial mass produce the Caribbean queen conchs. They're an endangered species, overfished in most of the Caribbean islands, the Florida Keys, where they're indigenous to it, right? There's really only a couple of islands where you can still commercially fish for conch. Here, Bahamas, a couple of other islands where the numbers are still plentiful enough to do so. Right. But a conch farm don't produce all the conch we consume. It's a small production we produce here compared to the still much more we can fish. Alright, so we grow the conchs on shore for the first 2 years here, maintaining 80 ponds. Right, the conchs are then transferred offshore, where we maintain 200 pens. It's where they grow for another 2 years or until they're harvested for food, right? The name referring to the species of the animal we're farming. There's a male and a female of the species. I'll show you how to tell the difference later with a couple of live conchs I'll be showing you. They live in shallow waters though, right? Seagrass beds. They're vegetarians, they eat algae. Breeding season is between the months of April and September. They reproduce. So at the farm we're maintaining a broodstock of conch breeding stocks that are 12 to 14 years of age. And these are mature conchs that can reproduce starting from 4 years old. So this is our nursery building, and these are just a few styles of live conchs to show you. We have a mix of
in there? No, still a thing.
it's a type of snail, you know.
A snail? Yeah, I'm gonna eat this. Eh? I'm gonna eat this in ugly. I'm part of the snail family.
Ocean water, recycling in from the ocean.
Yeah, oh. Are you saying hi? Are you saying hi, Mr. Conch? What? So turn him over now? You probably can't go over.
You can't push him body.
No. I didn't know that they made their own shell.
Is the flesh. Turn him over.
Yeah.
Why I should help him? Let me go after the other tree and see how it is.
There's more. Hold on to me. I'm just gonna get my baby one out.
Where? Yeah. They're looking at me. What's that long thing?
What the size? I don't know what to call it.
They're ugly enough too.
Well, you know, it's from this. Look at that one.
Sorry.
Coming out. Yeah, that's a short video.
You do it to not take up on and
It's a bigger. This now we go.
no, you have to
This one
take
is
it up
new.
and do it.
No, they're trying to fit in their style.
These ones are bigger. Yeah, hold on. Hey, mister.
I
Hey.
think I have to get the other one out.
It's coming out. Ooh, ooh. Why you drop him? Why you drop him?
Mama can touch me.
You're afraid of him?
No, but no.
I thought you weren't afraid.
I wouldn't want the flesh.
One foot that moves around.
Oh, you see?
He wants to come here.
But you're frightening him.
No, but he's still.
They think just feel comfortable. And you drop him. Alright, you can put him on slowly.
One here so it'll come out big. Oh, see him move up and down. He's moving.
So let's go see the fish. Next over here.
Oh,
And we'll come back and see.
Oh yeah, I get it.
You get it?
Yeah.
You get it?
Yeah. Oh, pop my ninja pose. Nasty. What? A fish?
Yeah. See them. You see? Jack.
Yeah.
Let me
I don't know what it looks like. It is? Tell one, put your hand in there. Tell him to come over. Yeah, you did. Take out your hand. Take out your hand. Hand up. Okay? Take out your hand.
Oh wow.
See, these are cool.
Yeah, that's hard to These guys are about 14, 15 years old. Right. Growing them here is how we keep track of the age. They really can't tell the age by looking at the shell, you know. You can tell. They grow different sizes. Those sizes
coming
doesn't matter. Alright, so those are eye stalks. There's an eyeball at the end of each one. Alright. The mouth is that elephant-like trunk in between. Yeah, it's not. It sucks in algae. Okay. The foot. Actually, it's a claw. It's a nail. That's what they use to move it, grabbing it along.
Guys, so we just completed the Conch tour. It's really awesome. If you're ever on the island, I recommend you do it. You'll learn a lot. Conchs, who knew that they were so interesting? Yeah, and that they actually grew up the shells. I thought that they just like found a random shell, but they actually grew up the shells. And yes, and you can tell the difference between the males and the females. The females, they have this like vertical line. The males, they have this penis. They have a penis, guys. So yeah, and and it can grow back. The penis can grow back. Predators. You want to be in the? She's so shy, but she's like right here, like feeding me information. And also to extract the conchs, they have to split the top of the shell. Yeah, because the conchs are attached to the shells. So yeah, it was pretty cool. Tell them to subscribe. Tell them to subscribe, share. So guys, like, share, subscribe. I hope you're enjoying my vlog so far and learn about the island. Yeah, okay. We're going to the beach soon. We're waiting on the jeep.
If I go, there's just no telling how far I'll